Hi, I'm Naresh Garg, founder of NEWLIFE Structures. Today we'll discuss one of my favorite subject, large span structures. So what is this large span structures? So whenever we require that we need a building, we need a shed, we need a space which is covered space and with very few columns, and that building we call that as a large span. Like we need a building where we need where column to column distance, you say that it's 200 feet, 200 by 200 feet, and that is possible and that we can do. I can give you examples like sports stadiums where we do not need columns, community buildings, satsang halls, aircraft hangars, there the one more than 300 feet space is required, columnless space is required, marriage palaces, factories where the large cranes are there, they do not need any columns in that. So these type of buildings, coal sheds, these type of buildings are large span buildings, and very few engineers are expert in that. And we are fortunate enough that we have done these type of buildings, and that is one of my favorite subject. So what is the design concept in that? See, the concept is very clear. We need a space, covered space with very few columns. So generally these buildings are made of a space frames. I can give you example that the airport buildings, you might have seen all the pipe structures are there, and satsang halls, big satsang halls where we do not need any hindrance, clear vision is required. So that is a space frame structures. You come to us with any option, which type, how much big space you required and how much column to column spacing is required by you. We are here to execute your dream. So if you talk about the tonnage, one myth is there, when the column to column spacing is so large, the tonnage will be more. What will be the strength of that? We design on our software, the StatPro software, other softwares. In those softwares, we model each and every member of that structure and calculate stresses on those members, apply load on those members, and economy is achieved in that way that by selecting each pipe in a different sizes, we achieve economy. So that is our core competency. That is the strength of NEWLIFE. I can give you example of one of our project, Sant Nirankari Mandal project in Sonipat. That is on a highway. You might have seen that. It's a more than 1 million square feet area, and the column to column spacing is more than 150 feet. So that is a state of art. That is a beauty of designing. That is a beauty of execution. So if you have a dream, if you are dreaming about these type of buildings, we are there for you. We can work for you, and we can come your dream true. So it is possible now because of NEWLIFE. Let's make a new buildings. Let's make a new life.